The transition from experimental AI prototypes to production-grade deployment is failing. The market for autonomous agents faces a structural bottleneck: the inherent conflict between opaque intelligence and the strict institutional requirement for traceability. In an enterprise environment, fragmented and stale data results in oversized, costly context windows that the AI cannot efficiently navigate. This data fragmentation creates unpredictable agentic workflows, preventing organizations from confidently deploying autonomous systems at scale. To operate safely in regulated environments, these systems require Glassbox traceability, a framework where every decision is observable and verifiable. Without an underlying deterministic infrastructure, high-intelligence AI models cannot meet the rigorous operational demands of the healthcare sector. The stakes are highest at the level of global health and medtech operations, where data management follows international regulatory standards. At the apex of healthcare policy, the pressure to maintain data integrity and regulatory compliance is constant. Large institutions often manage hundreds of isolated data silos, keeping separate patient records, isolated clinical trials, and disconnected administrative data. Applying standard large language models to these fragmented silos introduces the risk of clinical hallucinations, where the model fills data gaps with inaccurate information. Traditional solutions, like expanding context windows or refining prompts, do not address the structural cause of these inaccuracies. Clinical AI reliability depends on a layer of mathematically verifiable reasoning at the infrastructure level. Traditional electronic health record systems create significant technical debt because they function as isolated repositories. The common approach to this isolation involves linear filing and intrusive processes that extract and modify source data to achieve integration. RHEL 1 provides an alternative through Associative Knowledge Management, or AKM. This architecture unifies isolated data by mapping context and relevance across the silos, rather than relying on traditional linear filing. This associative layer operates without requiring any modification to the original secure source databases. By mapping relationships while leaving source data untouched, organizations remove the primary technical friction point of digital transformation. AI failures in clinical settings are often a direct result of relying on standard vector databases for information retrieval. Vector systems retrieve data based on probabilistic proximity, guessing what is relevant based on how close data points are in a mathematical space. This causes context pollution, pulling unrelated or conflicting data into the AI's context window. RHEL 1 utilizes deterministic, hard-linked logic paths, connecting verified nodes instead of proximity-based guesses. This creates a high-confidence environment for virtual data, providing mathematical proof for every output. Eliminating the risk of hallucination allows clinical teams to treat AI outputs as verifiable evidence. Most standard databases capture only current snapshots, which presents a significant challenge for regulatory forensics. As data updates, historical states are overwritten and lost, a flaw known as time blindness. RHEL 1 makes time a natively navigable dimension within its data architecture. Analysts reconstruct historical realities, seeing the system's exact configuration at any past point. Compliance teams can now verify a patient's system state at a precise historical timestamp. This ability to reconstruct a historical system state provides a definitive audit trail for managing strict regulatory liability. Modern hospitals function as expanding digital value chains, increasingly utilizing specialized third-party partners. Integrating external fintech and health tech applications increases the complexity and risk of data fragmentation. RHEL 1 acts as the intelligent connective tissue, routing the flow of knowledge between core enterprise systems and external partners. This ensures that as the ecosystem scales, complex clinical data remains unified and historically accurate across all integrated services. A deterministic infrastructure allows the data foundation to strengthen rather than fracture as the digital ecosystem expands. This architecture unifies isolated silos, provides a clear reasoning path for AI outputs, and stabilizes the technological backbone. These capabilities align directly with the audit and compliance requirements of major regulatory bodies worldwide. With verifiable historical data, compliance becomes a proactive feature of the enterprise rather than a reactive manual task. Safe, scalable autonomous agents require a deterministic infrastructure to manage system complexity. The RHEL 1 platform allows engineers to protect context windows in a virtual sandbox, demonstrating value in under 30 minutes without requiring immediate changes to production infrastructure. Utilizing a completely state-aware, auditable infrastructure replaces the massive risk of erratic agentic behavior with absolute verifiable logic. Deterministic platforms like REL1 establish the transparent foundation necessary for deploying the next generation of autonomous enterprise applications.